Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is FAJAR Bimantoro from Senior High School of Mangunjaya. I on the side of the opposition disagree with the argument. Before I state my argument, let me rebut some point from the Prime Minister. Firstly, the speaker said that the emergence of tech companies can create labor violence. Violation. I disagree with this statement because in this pandemic era, people prefer to shop online because it is assumed safer. And it also can create new jobs for people. And secondly, attracting bigger investors is not always a bad thing. If bigger investors want to invest in Indonesia, it can also help to increase Indonesia company because related company is supported by more money they get from the investor. They can develop their own company and give a new job for more people. Thirdly, related to data stealing. Indonesia has created a regulation on Constitution of the Republic of Indonesia, Chapter 8, Number 6 about data safety. The Constitution is as stipulated in Article 4 of 999 Consumer Protection Law Number 8. Consumer or property buyers have a right including convenience, safety in consuming products and service and selecting according to exchange rates and conditions as promised. So we can sue the related company if our personal information is mishandled. So I think that's all my arguments, that I disagree with the arguments of the video. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.